Spit. You have to go catch, you know, I'm supposed to my teeth. I have to. We're only going to the library. Gotta get home, I gotta pack. Well, you have to pack, I already did. I know, I have to pee. Not my fault. You run a brush through your hair, please? I would, but I don't have time. You told me I don't have time. I either have time to do these things or I don't have time to do them, you know? So rude. Any idea how much water that wastes? I know. Exactly. Where's my hairbrush? You packed it. Well, then how am I supposed to brush my hair? Use the other brush. No other. Oh, this brush. I look crazy. Yeah, well, it's alright to go to the library. They don't care if you look crazy at the library? Oh, my house key. Kish, would you stop fussing? I can't stop fussing. You specifically told me to fuss. How am I supposed to stop fussing when you told me to? I'm Vaseline my lip. My upper lip. Okay, I look like a goblin. Time to go. Wait, I need my key. It's in my passport thing. Or is it? Here it is, here it is. How can you... Wait, you need your library card, right? Oh, boy. I do. What else? I wish you kids would have thought about this before. Think about what? How could I think about it? It's just books came in. I can't help it. No, I mean ordering your kids' books. We are kids, so... No, your Valentine's books. Should have ordered them a long time ago. Mom, it's January. Yeah, but you knew we weren't going to be here to pick them up. I didn't know that, in my defense. That's my cord. Standing on my cord. Oh, sorry. Yeah, you don't sound sorry. You'll be sorry, kids. Who is eating sugar with a spoon again? No, that's Whisper's cocoa stuff. That didn't answer my question. Who left the lights on the basement again? Clifford. What? Never mind. Look, it's pitch black already. Jeez. So very helpful. That drop, I heard neighbors screaming. Guess they're all right now. Where did I put the... Mom, it's right here. Oh. Alrighty. Now, let's pack this coat. I want to roll it off first. You want to roll it off first? Let's do it while it's on. I may use my coat between now and then, though. And no, you won't be. You gonna lock me inside? That's right. You aren't going anywhere tomorrow or the next day, not till Saturday. That's it. Mommy, that's 2 days, or that's 3 days. You're even confusing me now. You've lost it. Yeah. I don't like the sound it makes. Ew, look at all that fuzz, look. Look at all that fuzz. I'm a hairy beast. Oh my gosh. This is crazy. Yeah, I know, Kitchen, you cut your hair too. How bad must it have been before? This is like a German issue coat here. Ain't no one gonna mess with me at the airport with this coat on. I remember when you kids got that. At Marshall's, I think. Is it Marshall's? What a memory. It's good, but it's short. I think it was... Anyway, I remember you picked out the special coats that you wanted. I remember that. I don't remember that. Just pretend I do. Well, your coat is the main thing here. Oh, it's all fuzzy. Well, it is made out of fuzz. Yeah, nothing's coming off but fuzz, though. Well, that's unhelpful. I got the cutest Valentine's Day books ever. Come off! I'm getting claustrophobic. Well, it's wool, honey. Stuff sticks to it. I know, but... Any loose buttons, anything like that? I don't think so. Don't tie it, Kit. You're ruining the whole streamline of the jacket. You don't think so? What is this? A loose button? Yeah. Well, it's not my fault. Do you think it'll come off? What do you think? I mean, you kids do go to school, right? I go to school, but I don't learn anything. Just kidding. I learn all sorts of stuff. I got the rosy complexion of Santa Claus and the bangs of Pippi Longstocking. Man, your coats were really something else. Not a whole lot of hair though now, which is, I think, something. Hold still. I don't like you to do that. Wait, my library card's there. You could just said that. I did. I said, wait. No, that's whining. I don't know any other way to talk though. I can't see. The lighting in here is so poor. It's so poor I could go blind. I'm going blind now, as a matter of fact. Hold still. I am. No, you're twisting around like a ballet dancer when I'm trying to roll off your coat. There's no sticky stuff left again, darn it. Yes, thank you so much for tearing 1/4 of its entirety off. These big words around me. I don't know what you're saying. It's like code to me. Gosh, this is filthy. I never washed this coat, and it's never taken care of. Well, that ought to be better than nothing. My goodness. Roll off my gloves, too. There's no reason, but okay. My earmuffs. Alright, Kitch, that's enough. Alright, now, put in the pocket what you want. I want my gloves. I want my bulky earmuffs, which are going to be uncomfortable sitting on the plane. And I like that scarf, but I should probably bring my bigger scarf. No, I'm bringing a hood. I'm not bringing the scarf at all. I'm bringing a hood. Oh, wait. I'm bringing this also. I'm bringing my black fur and also this hood. So let's see. It can be used as a scarf. It can also be used as a hood. Do. Of course it doesn't stay up or keep your head that dry, but it has fur, so it looks like it's warm. That concludes the winter fashion show. Alright, put that scarf away so I don't get confused. Well, I'm got already confused, I hate to break it to you. Put this with it too, honey, or I'm going to forget. Okay, but I don't think it'll all fit. Especially with the Christmas lights. Do I really have to put my favorite scarf away? You do. Or guess why? You're gonna get confused. That's one. Why would this tear? This was specifically easy tearing paper. I have nothing to say there. Oh my goodness. Mom, it's just let it go. It doesn't matter. Gee, where have I heard that before? When you were helping me with math homework? Yep. Put your scarf away. Okay. You don't have to yell at me. Okay, you do have to yell at me, but I still don't like to be yelled at. Why do people wear hats? Well, the important thing is you live with it for a whole 15 seconds. Clifford, what are you doing? Nothing? Aren't you supposed to be fixing your computer files before we go? You don't have to, do quotes. I know that I have to be doing that, but I did some. What's some? Not all that I should. Alright, I'll help you after I help Kitch with the packing. Here. Ew, all that came from my coat? Yeah, it did. It's frightened. I'll throw it out, Mommy. Suck up. I'm not. I want a snack. What? You ate. I still want a snack. I don't understand. I want some Japanese tea and a bunch of other stuff I shouldn't have. Yeah, well, we'll see. You heard it here first, folks. She said we'll see. Let me get that hanger. Let's see if you can drop your key again. Oh my goodness. You're going to have to stick that to the hair on your arm because I can't carry all this too. Got it. Catch, I wasn't serious. I know, but I still got it. Wait, I don't got it. Cards fell. Alright. Library stuff. Ow! Sticky stuff on my arm. Otherwise known as a pet roller. Which it isn't really a pet roller because we're pets. It's a lint roller. Huh. Gotta put your key back, Mom, or you're gonna get confused. These are all over the house all the time. Wait, someone turn the heater on. You keep saying, can someone, and you always mean me, so... I don't know about this. What? Just my whole person. I should have never looked in the mirror this morning. Maybe not. Unnecessary evil. We need to lint roll, Snoopy's suit. Oh, yes, and iron the shirt. The shirt? Here, this vest doesn't need to be rolled off, does it? I don't know. It's tweed. Does tweed need to be rolled off? You know, I was trying to make that sound funny, but tweed is already funny enough. All on its own. Okay. So if we iron this and roll off that, that's it. Hello, look at the pile in the middle of the room. You think this is all we have to do? Oh. Oh boy. Let's go iron, huh? Oopsie! We get the library cards. Oh, and someone else's email I have to put in. Because I gave her only my... Or no, she didn't give me the right email. What am I saying? Oh my gosh! This bra is decrepit. There's like crayon stains on it. What do you kids do? I didn't do anything. Here, I'll just... will you hold this for a minute? Yes. Not on the ground. How about with my teeth? No. Alright, this is a library thing, so I can deal with that when I come back. Mom, you're finally starting to talk like we're ever going to come back. Well, I couldn't before because I didn't think we were ever going to leave. That's true. Mom, I want a snack. That's nice. What I can do about it right now. Mom? What? I want a snack, please. It's 6 at night. What are you going to eat? I don't know. That's up to you, I guess. Oh, the door stopper came out. The door stopper? Mom, just admit it's like the torn top of a Raisin Bran box. Yeah. We have to leave all these lights on now because of the Christmas lights being unplugged. And there are dishes. I just love Clifford's little science things he put up on the walls. They're so nice. Nice? I guess so. Mom, can I iron? No. That was... Kitch, will you get your craft paper off my foot, please? I don't know where else to put it. It's... Hey, I have a great use for brown paper. So do I. Mailing you to somebody else. That was rude. The iron's leaking. Who filled it all the way up again? Husky? Oh, the shade! It's not shade if, you know, it's true. I guess. You want your jazz ironing music, Mother? Sure. Alright. I'll find you something. Oh. It's like the computer. It makes you wait 8 years, and just when you walk away because you're like, okay, you're going to take 8 years, that's when it decides to show up. Always been that way, always will. Da-da-da-da-da, and everywhere I go, people something da-da-da-da, da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Okay. Ironing. How do you spell ironing? Oh, wait, I got it. Never mind. Ironing jazz. Stop. Ironing jazz and parachutes. She washed my hair for the first time. Song styles, jazz ironing board. How about work jazz? I don't know why I even looked up ironing jazz. I just thought. Cafe jazz music, radio, smooth jazz bossa nova for work and study. Here we go. Someone commented, Jesus Christ loves you all, with a smiley face. I don't know why someone would put that next to a coffee cup, but they did.